Hi, I am Shinoy. Welcome to my channel Excel Simplified. In this video, I will show you different ways of copying format from one cell to another cell. Most of you are familiar with the Format Painter button under Home menu of Excel application. For those who have not used Format Painter button before, I will show you how to copy the format from one cell to another. For that, I am clicking on cell D3. I am going to apply a cell style by clicking on cell styles and selecting accent 1. Now I am going to click the format painter. It will copy the format in cell D3, and you might have noticed the mouse pointer started showing a brush along with the white cross. So I'll hover to the cell where I want to paste this format. So I am in cell D8. I'll press the left mouse to paste the format from cell D3 to cell D8. I'm pressing. It copied the format from cell D, and the mouse pointer changed back to white cross. The brush is gone. So if I want to copy the format from cell D3 to another cell, I have to click on cell D3 again and click on format painter, and it shows the brush in the mouse pointer again, and hover to the cell and click left mouse. So it pasted the format there. So there is another way of doing format paste to multiple cells. So I will show you that. So I click on cell D3. Instead of single click on format painter, do a double click using left mouse. So I'm going to click it twice. I did a double click. Again the mouse pointer changed shape to show a brush. So now I am hovering to the cell D16. I am applying the format by clicking the left mouse. But the format painter has not changed back to white cross. It's still showing the paint. That means the format copy is still active. So I'll move the mouse to another cell and click left mouse. So wherever I paste, click left mouse, it will apply that format. So I don't have to go back and to cell D3 and click the format painter each time to copy the format. So it is already copied and I can apply it to multiple cells like this. And also I can apply it to a group of cells. There also click. To cancel this format copy, I have to either press escape or I'll click the format painter once again. So now that for a brush icon is not visible in the mouse pointer. I'll do and undo. Now I'll show you how to copy formats from multiple cells to another range. So I'll use column G, which has multiple formats applied. I'll copy this range, cell G3 to cell G9. So I'll click on format paint button once, and I will move on to a range where I want to copy these formats, and I click on the first cell in that range. So I am on cell F14. So I'm going to click the left mouse. See, Excel is intelligent enough to identify which format to be applied to which cell. So it applies the format in the same order as in the source range. But now, like before, the format paint, the brush icon, the mouse pointer is not showing the format paint brush. That means if we have to apply it, we have to copy the format again. So we will do a double click and I'll show you how to apply the same format multiple times. I'll do an undo with Control Z. So I will select this once again and I'll go to mouse. I'll move the mouse to the format painter button. I'll do a double click instead of single click. I'm doing a double click. Now I'm going to apply it in cell F3 using the left mouse button, and I'm going to, so still the brush is displayed in the mouse pointer, so the copy is still active, the format copy is still active as I have done a double click. I'll click the left mouse here. I'll click the left mouse here. So wherever I want, I will apply this format. I will scroll down. I will apply this format. Now I'll press escape or click on mouse format painter button once again. So I'm pressing escape. So now the format paint brush is not visible in the mouse pointer. So now if I click, nothing happens. Now I'll show you how to copy format from one cell to another cell without using the format painter button. For that I will apply some formatting in cell J3. I'll give a fill color, make it bold, increasing the size. So I'm clicking on cell J3 after applying the format and hovering to the bottom right corner of the cell to display the black cross instead of the white cross. This pointer is called the fill handle pointer. I'm going to drag down by pressing down the left mouse. I'll press down the left mouse and drag it down till the cell where I want to copy the format. When I reach here, release the left mouse. See, it copied the values, which is not what we wanted. We wanted to copy only the format. So don't worry. There is an autofill drop down here. So click on this drop down. It has copied the cells. Instead, I am going to select fill formatting only. I'm going to select this. So it retained the format which got copied, but reverted the values to the original values. So I'll undo the changes by clicking Control Z. Now suppose if I want to apply this format to all the cells in column J, I will hover the mouse to the right bottom corner to show the fill handle mouse pointer. Then I will do a double click instead of dragging. I'm going to double click left mouse. So it copied include the values and the formatting to all the cells in column J. Again, I will click on the drop down in this autofill options, click, select fill formatting only. So it will retain just the formatting and revert back all the values from cell J, column J.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you find the information I shared useful, please like and share the video with your friends. If you did not like the video, please let me know the reasons through comments. Also, please feel free to give improvement suggestions in the comment section. That will help me create better videos in future. Thank you once again.